Ka Office jong ka Director General of Police DGP hakar pusan tarik menta ubenai naitung kala Pynkup Burom ya arngut kinong elekai na kakenhun Pulit Meghalaya ki bawan rana mat Burom ya Khuborjylla haka jing elekai kabala tip kum ka World Police and Fire Games kabala long ha Birmingham, Alabama, United States of America. Hakani kasngi la Pynkup Burom kini ki arngut ya uba Alan Marbaniang bat kakong Wandalin Syiemiong da usumbut Menteri Khuborjylla uba badru ya Tnad kampo yeng ba Preston Tensong, Menteri Tnad Sports and Youth Affairs ba Shaklar Warjri, ka Director General of Police kong Ida Shisha Nongrang, ha ka jing Sakhilang u Chief Secretary Khuborjylla ba DP Walang, ki officer ka Tnad Pulit bat ki wei de. Haba ai jingkran, ha ka ni kasngi uba Preston Tensong uba bat ya ka Tnad kampo yeng, ula penpau ka jing skau kemen ka ba krau shibun ya kini ki arngut ba kilawan ra nang bat Burom ya Khuborjylla. Ula ong ru ban yok khur ya katak maksiar hakinu kinu kijing elekai. Kalong kum kajing pos new. Henry lengba kajing tray shitom kini arngut kalong kajing ai mensim ya ki weiru. Shu uba prestun ula ong baka sorkar kalashna ya ka sport policy na kabentai kinu kinong tray jong ka sorkar ki ba yok khur takama kin yok ru ya kajing penkiu kerdan hakakam baki tray.
I want to speak much and to lengthen the function that we have today. I just wanted to remind all of us, on behalf of the government, we have two special human beings, being our own daughter, Wandalin Syiemiong, being our own son, Alan Marbaniang of the Home Department, and also the citizen of the state of Meghalaya. The whole state this moment congratulate the achievement made and also the laurels brought by you to a small state like Meghalaya. To get gold medal in the universe, I think it is only a dream for the state of Meghalaya, being the smallest state. But let me tell you, it has happened through our brother and sister, and I'm very sure it will also be inspired to all of us today and also in the days to come. Friends, let me tell you, the state sports policy is now being implemented, it is now being enforced. Our Sports Minister has just mentioned that special recognition will be followed for these two young son and daughter of the state of Meghalaya. And let me tell you, in the policy, if you go through line by line, clause by clause, there is a provision which was already provided that special recognition, especially for those employees who already in the government, promotion has to be considered to them. That is one special. As a token of love and respect, special assistance will also be given to you. I will not tell you the amount. You please read out the policy by yourself. So let me just tell you one thing. You must have seen the humble beginning done by the government. we have tried our best to bring in new initiative. Because when we talk about sports, it closely relates to our young girls and young boys. My dear young friends, please read out those blueprints that we laid down. And you will get inspired if you spend your time at least 1 hour to read out the policy that we laid. I think not less than 37 disciplines state government is recognizing these 37 plus disciplines in the state of Meghalaya, out of which maybe 1 or 2 disciplines you take it up and please specialize it. National and international, as I've said to you, the guiding book is already in place. You will be paid back if certain amount of award is brought back to the state government. And let me also remind you, during the budget that we had for 2025-2026, up to 2026-27 in the sports sector itself, we have already provided not less than 1,900 crores in this sector alone, which is very, very encouraging. So therefore, I would like to request young boys and young girls, the opportunity is now in your doorstep. You need, therefore, to grab this opportunity. So I don't want much to prolong. Both of the family of these 2 great leaders, 2 great son and daughter of Meghalaya, Wandalin, Syiemiong, Marbaniang, along with your parents, your family members, God will shower His blessing. I am very sure you will continue to aim and to have also the ambition of getting more laurels. Maybe if we have more than gold, I would prefer that you should get super gold. If we can have super gold, nothing like it. But please bring more. You have created a history to the people of the state. And I'm very sure this history will keep repeating every year. So with these few words, once again, I would request all of us to kindly spread this example made by these 2 brothers and sisters. We spread it throughout the state. And I'm very sure our young boys and young girls will also follow their footsteps. God bless Meghalaya. God bless police force. God bless both the family of Wandalin and Marbaniang. Thank you so much.
I would kindly also request our Deputy Chief Minister to kindly pin the DGP's commendation borders.